Thanks to our strong biosecurity system, Australia is free from many serious plant pests and diseases. We all play a role in keeping it this way. From travellers arriving in Australia, to farmers monitoring their crops, to people gardening at home, and nature lovers enjoying the environment. Coming home from a thrilling adventure overseas, you may be tempted to bring seeds, plant, animal, food or wooden products home with you. But first, look at Bicon, our biosecurity import condition system, to check whether they can be brought into Australia. Bicon contains import advice on more than 20,000 plants, animals, minerals and biological products. If in doubt, just declare it when you arrive in Australia. We can also do our part at home. Planning on starting your own veggie garden? Here are some ways you can avoid introducing and spreading pests and diseases. Buy your seeds and plants from trusted suppliers. Check Bicon if you plan to buy seeds or plants online. Sometimes they can come from overseas, which means they need to meet certain import conditions. Don't plant produce bought from your local grocery shops that are meant for eating. This includes planting fresh fruit and vegetables and dried spice or herb seeds. And if you see anything suspicious in your garden or local environment, call the Exotic Plant Pest Hotline on 1800 084 881. Your views are also important to us. Have Your Say gives you the chance to contribute your views on current biosecurity issues. All your comments, ideas and suggestions are collected and used to inform our policies and decisions. Let's all work together and strive for a cleaner, greener and healthier Australia for generations to come. And now, it's your turn.